Hello guys, Alpito here, and I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use Groupmanager and configure it. What Groupmanager is a plugin that allows you to make groups and set permissions for specific groups to only allow them to use some commands, do some stuff, and etc. etc. Now, once you get all these, you're going to need essentials, all the essentials files, and of course essentials group files. I'll leave the links in the description, and I'm gonna make an essentials tutorial soon, and that'll be on how to configure essentials and how to configure essentials to work with Groupmanager. So make sure to subscribe so that you can check out that video once that gets finished. So just open up Groupmanager and go into your world name. Okay. When you're in your world, there will be a list of worlds. This is just the default world name, world. So I'm gonna go in that and I'm gonna right click and edit with Notepad++. Now, you can use Notepad, WordPad, whatever suits you. I like to use Notepad++ because it's much easier to, it's so much easier to see everything. It's so much organized. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for all these, for all the downloads, including Notepad++. Alright, so when you're ready, just look through all this. First things first, make a new spot to start typing. We're gonna make a new group. This is the group name. So our group name, I'm gonna name it Trusted. I'm gonna capitalize this, Trusted. Okay, once that is all set, I'm gonna make sure that this is all lined up. You're gonna want to make sure everything is correct so that you don't screw anything up, and yeah. Make sure that there is also no tabs, because if there is tabs, then you're gonna have problems. Default. What default is when someone first joins the server, it'll automatically put them into this group. I'm not gonna make it automatic, so I'm gonna set this to false. Now, if you can see, this is gonna be lined up with default. Okay, we're good. Now, next one is going to be. Okay, I'm gonna delete this tab. Make sure you delete the tabs. Permissions. Be sure you spell it correctly too, because that won't help you if you don't know how to spell anything correctly. Permissions, and then inheritance. Make sure you get inheritance. Permissions is going to be in another file. Inheritance is going to be in this file. What inheritance does, it allows you to say I want all the permissions and everything from this group. So I would take inheritance of default, and I would put I can't see my keyboard right here. Dash date. Oh, son of a bitch. Dash default. Now I have all the permissions from this default group all the way up here. So everything that's listed under here is going to be in that. Also, anything that's in this inheritance is going to be in this group now. Now I'm going to save that, and I'm going to continue changing this stuff. Now next is info, and enter prefix. This is also in another file, so you don't have to worry about that right now at this moment. Now this next one is called suffix, or build, my bad, build. False. Okay. I messed up there. True. Because when they join, they're not going to be in this. They're not going to be in this group when they first join. I'm going to set that their buildager, which allows them to build. Next is suffix, and suffix will be in another file. Save it. Now, if you want to change like the beginning of their names and stuff, that'll be in the essentials tutorial, which I'll be making soon. Alright, this is users. This is the groups and the permissions for specific users. As you can see, there are also some stuff in here. I just put my name in there because I've done this video several times and it hasn't worked because of some stupid rendered crap, and then I just deleted it and I deleted the file. So this is like my second take on this, but I'm in the group trusted right now. You can delete these if you don't want them, and yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna close this. And that's just basically if you want special permissions for some people. Now let's go into global groups. Now this is the permissions file for where you're going to be adding permissions for any group. Yeah, that's pretty much it. When you find a plugin, just look at their permissions file or their permissions stuff. This is for the essentials. This is the plugin name, and then dot to separate this, and then the list, which is command/list. This is /rules from essentials plugin. Now, if I want all this, don't be afraid to copy and paste stuff if you're just starting out configuring for Groupmanager. So just enter, make sure you have no tabs, and then just space. You need 2 enters for this configure file. Now there you go. Now you can change this to trusted. And there you go. Now you have all these permissions for the trusted file. Now if I want something special for trusted, like say I want them to have special ban special ban, so they can ban people. I'm gonna give them essentials ban. I'm gonna save this stuff up. This is good stuff. Yep, that's basically it. It doesn't matter what order if they're in. Let's say it doesn't matter if essentials is before Groupmanager, this Groupmanager one. Okay. Now I'm going to stop the video here and I'm going to go on the server because we're done with the Groupmanager part. Alright guys, once you've joined the server, to promote yourself you have to make sure that you're OP, and /man promotes Albedo trusted. And now I was moved to the group trusted test. Okay, now if I de-out myself, yeah, Albedo. If it's gonna take a while because I'm kind of lagging, but if I do /ban, wow. Okay guys, I just had like a problem where when I do /ban and then their name, it says I don't have access. It's because in another configure file for essentials or whatever, I made it so that only 2 groups can, like only the moderator and admin group. Moderator and admin group can do it, and any OPs can ban people. And if I wanted to give them the ban thing, I would have to do something else, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to start the server. It's going to stop, or if it's just going to save chunks. I'm just going to close this out. It doesn't really matter if my world gets corrupted. So I'm going to go back in here, and right here, as you see, look, the bucket will screw up with any ban/ban or anything like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a new one that says bucket moderator or something like that, and has this. It has like bucket command ban, because if they don't have this, then they won't be able to ban people. So if you do, I'll just copy and paste this just to show you. Copy, then if you go into groups, and you do get rid of that tab, don't forget to do that. Just give them this G Essential Bucket Moderator. Then they'll have the ban command. Now this is very important if you have any bucket commands that will interfere with any essentials commands or any other ban plugins there are. So make sure that they have that regular ban, unless it's like a different keyword. Instead of ban, it says like MC ban, where it would be /MC ban and then their name. But seeing as essentials has /ban, just like regular, then yeah, then there's gonna be problems. So make sure you save this, and now you'll be able to ban people on your thing. And you can make a new bucket permission thing in this, but I'm not going to, because I'm not going to have any trusted people ban people. This is just a tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and write down in the comments if you have any questions about anything. This is Elpito signing out. Yeah, if you have any suggestions for plugins, just write in the comments also. Alright, see you guys.